A warm welcome to the newsroom. I am Fidelia Aguncha. The number of confirmed cases of the coronavirus in Nigeria has risen to 139 after 4 new cases were discovered. The Nigeria Center for Disease Control and NCDC disclosed a new figure in a tweet on Tuesday in its latest update. Of the new cases, 3 were confirmed in the Federal Capital Territory FCT, while 1 new case was discovered in Lagos. Over 11 million poor Nigerians will receive support from the federal government to cushion the harsh effects of COVID-19. The Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, Sadia Umar Farouk, says the government already has a social register with details of those considered as the vulnerable in the society. This, she said, covers 35 states of the Federation with around 2.6 million households mapped across the country. The United Nations says it has initiated response measures to mitigate the spread of the coronavirus to internally displaced persons in Borno, Adamawa and Yobe states. These measures will also address immediate humanitarian consequences of the coronavirus pandemic in case it spreads to northeast Nigeria. United Nations Humanitarian Coordinator in Nigeria, Edward Kalun, in a statement issued on Tuesday, said it is crucial for vulnerable people to have access to not only water, soap, shelter, but also food, education and protection. He noted that the UN in Nigeria is supporting the government of Borno, Adamawa and Yobe State in developing emergency response plans that take the reality of living conditions in many communities and IDP camps into account. Taraba State has ordered the closure of all markets, shops and worship centers in the state over the coronavirus. The shutdown is expected to commence from Thursday, April 2nd. At a press briefing on Tuesday, the Deputy Governor, Haruna Manu, says the move is a precautionary step by the state government to stop the spread of the coronavirus. Well, the federal government, through the Petroleum Product Pricing Regulatory Agency, PPPRA, has announced a reduction in the pump price of petrol. A statement signed by Abdulkadir Saidu, PPPRA Executive Secretary, said the retail price of petrol would now be at 123 naira and 50 kobo. The new price is 1 naira 50 kobo lower than the 125 naira per litre announced on March 18. A sharp drop in global crude oil prices had resulted in a drop in the landing cost of refined petroleum products. On Wednesday, Brent crude, the international benchmark for crude oil, was trading at $22.74 per barrel. 31 coronavirus patients in Ghana have been discharged after recovering from the disease. Ghana has confirmed 161 coronavirus cases, of which 5 deaths have been recorded. The country's health ministry says the 31 recovered patients will be closely monitored by the government. The worldwide number of officially confirmed fatalities from the coronavirus has risen to 41,072. More than 828,240 declared cases have been registered in 186 countries and territories since the pandemic broke out in China in December. Of the cases, at least 164,900 are now considered recovered. Former Olympic Marseille president Pape Diop has died at the age of 68 after contracting the coronavirus. Diop was born in Chad but had French and Senegalese citizenship, led the club between 2005 and 2009 and helped build a side which lifted the Ligue 1 title in 2010. He was hospitalized in Senegal after contracting the virus there and became the country's first COVID-19 fatality. And that's the latest from the newsroom. Many thanks for joining us. Bye for now.